Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we talk about the important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court dismisses plea against UP CM Yogi Adityanath in objectionable speech case. Supreme Court to hear plea of journalist Rana Ayub against summons in money laundering case on January 25. Supreme Court to consider setting up 3-judge bench to hear Karnataka hijab ban row. Supreme Court hijacked the constitution by formulating the collegium system to select judges. Law Minister tweets video of former High Court judge giving statement. Supreme Court assures listing of the Maharashtra Rapido ban case. The Supreme Court dismissed a plea seeking direction for registering of a case against Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for an alleged objectionable speech during an election campaign in Rajasthan's Alwar in 2018. A bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and Vikram Nath said it was not inclined to interfere in the matter while dismissing the petition. The petitioner had moved the top court against an order of the Allahabad High Court, which had dismissed his plea and imposed a cost of Rs 5,000 on him. The petition was filed by one Naval Kishore Sharma of Mau. According to the petitioner, Adityanath had on November 23, 2018, in an election speech in Alwar, hurt his religious sentiments. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear on January 25 the petition of journalist Rana Ayub, challenging the summons issued to her by a special PMLA court in Ghaziabad in a money laundering case lodged against her by the Enforcement Directorate. A bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices V. Ramasubramaniam and J.B. Pardiwala posted the matter after senior advocate Vrinda Karat mentioned it. On November 29 last year, the special PMLA court in Ghaziabad had taken cognizance of the prosecution complaint filed by the Enforcement Directorate and summoned Ayub. On October 12 last year, the ED had filed a charge sheet against Ayub, accusing her of cheating the public and using Rs 2.69 crore she got in charity for creating personal assets and also violating the foreign contribution law. The campaigns, ED said, were meant to raise funds for slum dwellers and farmers, relief workers of Assam, Bihar and Maharashtra, and help Ayub and her team to help those impacted by COVID-19 in India. The Supreme Court said it will consider setting up a 3-judge bench to adjudicate the case related to wearing of the Islamic head covering in Karnataka school following its split verdict. A bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices V. Ramasubramaniam and J.B. Pardiwala took note of the submissions of senior advocate Meenakshi Arora that an interim order was needed, keeping in mind the practical examinations scheduled for some classes from February 6 in the state. In addition to the ongoing feud between the government and the collegium, Union Law Minister Kiran Rijiju recently tweeted a video of a former High Court judge who commented that the Supreme Court hijacked the constitution by formulating the collegium system to select judges. Former Delhi High Court Judge R.S. Sodhi expressed his views in a recent interview. Sharing the clip, Rijiju said, "Majority of the people have similar sane views. The law minister has on many previous occasions questioned the collegium system." The Supreme Court assured that it will list the Rapido ban case. Rapido, a bike taxi aggregator, was banned in the state of Maharashtra in December last year. The Bombay High Court last week had dismissed the petition filed by the company against the state government's refusal to grant license of two-wheeler bike taxi aggregator to Rapido. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all legal news.